Okay, earn 30,000 naira plus daily on Momo tool. It says start earning real money today. Join thousands already making 30,000 naira plus daily with Momo tool. With simple video tasks, exciting offers, and generous referral reward. Turning your free time into cash has never been more rewarding. Sign up now and discover how easy it is to make money with Momo tool. Go to dashboard. So let's go to dashboard. Let me show you something real quick. Come to dashboard. You see under the home, the video task. You can see they say you should watch one video to end 1.8. Watch the second video to end 1.5, 1.8, 1.2. These are the tasks in the platform. So you go under the referrals. They're promising you that you should refer one user, you earn 1,500 naira. Anybody that clicks on your link, you earn 300 naira. So total you earn 25% commission per referral. So let's check the task and see. Okay, under the task, we have under the available task, we have the betting surveys, we have the Telegram channels, and the website visit. Okay, so you can see their promises. We have 2,550 naira for betting surveys. We have 2,850 naira for Telegram channels and 2,700 naira for website visit. You can see their promises. So let's check on the withdrawals. Under the withdrawals, you can see that I have a available balance of 12,375 naira. This is for just sign up. Okay, immediately you sign up to this platform, you have this amount of money. You can see the withdrawal requirement. You must to be on level 4. You must reach level 4 before you're able to withdraw this earning. The other one, you must have a minimum balance of 45k to be able to withdraw this earnings. Okay, so you can see the payment method. We have Momo, we have OPay, we have PanPay, and bank transfer. Recent withdrawal, nothing. We just started the platform newly. So let's get right into the video. Welcome back to I am Joseph, your guide to all you must know about online platform. I am Joseph, a safety advocate, and today we are diving into nairatube.site, a platform that claims you can earn up to 30,000 naira plus daily, but might be a scam. Stick around till the end for bonus tip to protect yourself from sites like this. Nairatube.site, also called MomoTube, promise you can earn money online up to 30,000 naira plus daily by doing surveys, joining channels, website visits, watching videos, and referrals. They even offer 1,500 naira sign-up bonus. Sounds tempting, but let's look at these red flags. First red flag, the earnings are unrealistic. Earning 30,000 naira plus daily for simple tasks like watching videos, betting surveys, joining channels, website visits, and referrals. Legit platforms like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars typically pay much less for similar tasks. Think cents, not dollars. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Next, Nigeria's site was registered in February 2025, just a few months ago. New domains like this often lack a track record, and scammers frequently use them to disappear after collecting users' data or money. Always be cautious with sites this young. Scam detection sites like ScamDog and Grinding Soft have flagged nairatube.site as a potential scam, giving it a trust score as low as 2%. They warn it might be financial scam, possibly using Ponzi scheme tactics to lure users with fake earning. Another warning sign, the site owner hides their identity using a paid who.is VPN privacy services. Legit platforms are usually transparent about who runs them. This anonymity makes it harder to hold anyone accountable if things go wrong. Finally, user review on platforms like Trustpilot reveal serious issues. People report wasting time and data without getting paid, with withdrawals either pending for weeks or never arriving. One user even called it a scam after not receiving funds after 2 weeks of waiting. Nairatube.site shows all the signs of a scam: unrealistic promises, a new domain, low trust score, hidden ownership, and payment issues. Don't risk your time, money, or personal info on this platform. This is I, Joseph, and this is it for today's review. Folks, if you have tried nairatube.site, share your experience in the comment now for your bonus tip. Always check a site's trust score on tools like Scam Advisor or Smart Dog before signing up. It's a quick way to spot red flag. For more platform safety tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. This